Engine just blew! We're coasting! We're coasting! Woo! We're coasting! It's dead! It's dead! Woo! Blown engine, bitches! We're going 30! We'll make it a couple miles! We have to!
Did you get the blow sound?
No. Don't think we got it on camera, but it was cool! It was cool! Put my four-ways on. Big pimpin'. Big pimpin'. There's an MR2 back there!
Is it still David?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, there's a rod. There's your rod's on the ground. Hey, your rod's on the ground.
Where? What?
Your rod's on the ground.
Rod's on the ground.
Your rod's on the ground. We got it.
We're making it.
Yeah, we are.
We're making it.
Woo! 3 fastest.
Close my door.
You can do it. 3 bastards.
Oh shit.
No, no, no. Hi.
Good. It's all good.
Woo. Hello, sir.
I know.
Dude, where the hell did it go for?
Oh, there you can see.
Yeah, where's the hole in your crankcase?
Where, guys? Where?
Where?
You see down underneath the sticks right under the motor mount.
Oh, damn!
Let's see if we can get the camera in there. Get your freaking fat ass nuts over.
Jack it up! I see a hole in the motor mount, but I can't see. Oh,
It's fucking sweet! Oh, supposedly something came out of somewhere.
Alex, you actually look like under there. You can't see a hole. All you see is oil and smoke. We need to jack it up and look underneath to get a picture.
Wait, can you pull out the instructions really quick? I want to know what road we're on.
What do you have to say about this, Neo?
Still smoking.
Yeah.
The connecting rod is still smoking.
I'm gonna say hi to the connecting rod. If I can film it. There she blows. Hot air. Oh.
Touch it.
Oh god. No, I'm not touching it. You touch it. Put it in your mouth, actually.
You have to collect this for evidence, Glean.
Interesting. This should be his new, like, gangsta neck piece.
Okay, we gotta get like a little container and then pick up all the pieces. It's like I saw a lot of shit fly out.
Are you serious?
There's pieces like a mile back.
Are you? Wow.
Because they hit Kip's windshield.
Just gonna.
Yeah, they bounced off the windshield.
No, because I was gonna say it was like a huge cloud of smoke.